In the exam, you might be graded with a question that looks a bit like this. So what we need to do is draw in the stem and leaf diagram and fill in the numbers as appropriate. To draw the diagram, it's pretty much just a line, and the line represents, this is the stem, or the tens, and this is the leaf, or the leaves, or the ones / units. Sorry about my handwriting, it's very hard to write on the whiteboard. So we need to take these numbers and put them into the stem and leaf diagram. So, as I mentioned, all of the tens will go on the left hand side, and all of the units, or the ones, will go on the right hand side. So to do this, it's easier to potentially write them down in order, so then you can see which one is the smallest, which one's the largest. For this video, I'm going to slightly wing it, and we can see sort of what numbers we need to use and what numbers we don't. And we're just going to tick them off. So we can see there's a 6, we can see there's a 7, there's an 8, luckily there's no 9, there's a 5, and there's a 4. I don't see a 3. So we have filled in our 10 column or our stems column. We now need to look at the leaves. So the leaves are the numbers to the right, the units or the ones. So we can see 63, we have a 3, and the 3 will just go on the other side. The risky way of doing it like this is obviously there might be some trial and error, as you need to make sure that the numbers are in order. But I have a trusty little eraser where I can erase and put back on, but for you I would definitely recommend putting them into order. Next number is a 9, I'm going to put the 9 over here just in case. As I said, the next number is 61, the 1 should go where the 3 is. So I'm just going to rub it out and then put 1 and 3. 52, 59, 65, 69, 75, 70, 54, 57, 63, 76, 81, 64, 68, 59, 40, 65, and 74. So that is our completed stem and leaf diagram. Our next step would then be to draw in the key, so we can see what the stem and leaf is representing. So for example, if I take the 4 and the 0, 4, 0 equals 40.